So after TF-IDF, when we want to match the contents between search criteria and the descriptions which are available for different items, then we have to match both the contents, search box versus item description. Now for that matching, we have to pick up all the words which are there, their importance of the word. Similarly, we have to pick up all the words and tokens from the given description as well, and their importance. Based on the importance of different words in the search criteria as well as item description, we have to find out how similar these words are. And to find out this kind of similarity, we use cosine similarity measure. So cosine similarity measure is here used to compare search criteria versus item description, and if these two are matching to each other, then cosine similarity will be very high between these two terms, right? So this is how we do the content matching with the help of cosine similarity in content based recommendation system, right? So in this recommendation system, the formula for cosine similarity is cos of theta, that means dot product of vector a and b divided by their moduli. Now theta is the angle between the vectors. Now if there are two vectors who are very similar to each other, then their angle will be almost 0, means they are very close to each other. If two terms are very close to each other, then their angle between them will be almost tending towards 0, and we know by high school mathematics that cos of 0 is equal to 1. So when the angle between two different terms is 0, means it will result in 1, and 1 means the similarity is highest between the two. However, if the two terms are not similar to each other, then their angle will be 90 degree, and we know cos 90 is equal to 0, means there is no similarity between the two items. Similarly, if we have two items which are completely opposite of each other, one is A, another one is B, and both are completely opposite of each other, then the angle between them will remain 180 degree, and we know cos 180 is equal to minus 1. So when the value of cosine similarity bring negative sign with it, that means the items are opposite to each other, like happy versus sad. So happy versus sad, they are just opposite to each other, then the angle between them will be 180 degree. Okay, and if we talk about happy versus pleasure, then the angle between them will be almost 0, because both are indicating happiness. If there is no relation between the two items, then the angle will be 90 degrees. So this is how cosine similarity work, which tells us everything based on angle between the different vectors. Now terms comes is vector. So what is something I am talking about vectors? So vector is something, every term we pick up from the document. Let's say this is one of the term. So we will pick up this term and then plot it on the graph. When we plot it on the graph, that is something is called as vector. All right. So this is how cosine similarity works.